Hello friends, we're back again, and today we're going to show you how to make a new recipe of salmon. Let's go and start. So we have our pan here. It's a heated pan. We have olive oil going over here, and we're gonna pan fry the salmon. Let the salmon fry for a little bit. Alright, so our salmon is ready on one side, and we flipped it over to go on the other side. It's crispy. You can see it's a little brown. We don't want it to cook too much. Add capers. So we're gonna let the salmon simmer over lemon juice and cooking wine for about 30 seconds. Now we're gonna put the salmon in the salamander where it's cooking. Look at the salmon get crispified over there. Beautiful scenery of the salmon over there. Look at it cook. Beautiful. We're gonna cover up the salmon so it can steam cook for like a little bit, so it's moist and soft. Okay, now we're gonna open it and add some clam juice to it. Okay, my friend, now we're gonna add some garlic and some butter for our sauteed vegetable. We have the salmon going over here. And now we're gonna put our fresh steamed vegetable over here. A little bit of salt and pepper. Salted vegetables almost ready. Our salmon's almost prepared. It's a beautiful, beautiful, healthy, quick recipe. Alright, our salmon's ready to go on the plate now. Got the caper sauce topped on top of it. And we have our beautiful, fresh vegetable sauteed, topped with lemon and chives. There we go. Now we have our pan-fried salmon with sauteed vegetable. If you like our video, please Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. Thanks. See you next time.